We're on the 24 North Coast with a pair of 4BTA Cummins 250s. Just gonna set this up. It's got a high temp alarm going off. Just tested the sender and the ohms reading is way off. So I'm gonna set this up here and just see what we got going on. Let's see. First off, I'm gonna do a little, see what the coolant level is in this thing, and it's hot right now. Shit's gonna make a mess. Let's get some more eggs. Don't do this at home. Man, we're so high. I gotta swap this sender out. I'm not draining the coolant. Gonna do a switcheroo here. Take these test leads back off. Bag. Make a mess. I got the new sensor right here. This is a video. What is it? This is 100 to 250 for the standard Cummins panel. This has the blue line, blue line series, not the new beady junk gauge panels. Some thread sealing on there. Shakalaka, stay. Of course, look at this. The return line's like freaking right in the way. This is 7/8. I guess it's wrench time. big doing. Oop. That thing needs some new valve cover gaskets. This poor boat's just been sitting here for sale. This is gonna make a mess. Do a switcheroo. Switcheroo on it. Get this crap out of here. I don't want this crap to fall in there. Ready. Get out of my way. Ooh, that's fucking a mother love. Damn, this is nasty, dude. That's not good. Man, this thing's gotta be low on coolant. Probably once it cools down, it's probably low as hell. Look at this. What in the mother love, dude? Shh. This thing needs to have a coolant flush. This thing is not even in coolant. I mean, the turbo mounting gasket's leaking, so it's probably not, this thing's not even hitting the coolant. I mean, look at all the rust on this thing. Yeah. Probably no wonder why it's getting a weird reading. It just never ends. Never ends. This sensor actually has the alarm in it. 2.2. Still way off compared to the new one. Yeah, see, 621 ohms. So the higher up the ohms, the cooler it is. Let's see. The higher up the ohms, so 105 would be there, so it's cold as hell. Well, it's gotta get replaced, but this thing needs to have this turbo mounting gasket replaced. It's probably spewing out coolant, and this thing's low on coolant, which means that this block heater thermostat is not even hitting it. blasted. It's snowing in my room, dang blasted. This stuff is all kind of on the loose side too. Tighten up this. That's good. What's this one? This one's just get spread out. Yes. It's probably very good. Yeah, that's not good. Pull this. Gonna have to wait for this thing to cool down some, since these block heaters were on. Ow. We'll at least turn this ignition back on and see if this gauge goes off again. Yeah, see, now it's reading right. Before it was like going pegging over, hard over. So that's at least fixed, but let me see. You can see the turbo mounting gasket leaking. Get my pick here. It's leaking right there up along this top water port, which is not uncommon, especially if it's old. So, and it is old, and the coolant's old. Everything gets rusted. This thing needs to get drained and flushed, and put some new coolant in here at least. So, and it's gonna suck, 'cause you got a lot of old hoses, like this exhaust hose. I mean, look at this. This needs to be replaced anyways. It's like petrified. And then, you know, these bolts are gonna break. So yeah, this is the chart. I think I showed it, but it is in the book. I forgot the book at the shop that I wanted to show, but just a little view of a small little boat, twin engine. Yeah. So I guess that's a waste of a trip, but not. I mean, just more work to do. All right, man. Peace.